Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Vilash and I'm a trader next to. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, finally the federal rate interest decision is over and we expected volatility. And yes, we got the volatility, but sadly we can still see that dollar index, the DXY, is still trading inside the range only. If you want to look at the market sentiment, you can see gold edges higher, supported by lingering Fed rate cut hopes. Gold climbs on hopes for sizable Fed rate cuts this year. Wall Street drops as Fed gives no hint that rate cut imminent. Dollar recovers as Powell says March rate cut unlikely. So market was mostly expecting rate cuts, but Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell made it very clear that right now they have no plans for rate cut in the coming March. But yes, this year they may go for some rate cuts, but overall the interest rates have been no change on the interest rates as of now. And if you were observing the market, probably you saw that market was volatile right after the US session, after the ADP NFP. ADP NFP failed to deliver the expected numbers, as a result of which we saw drop on dollar index and gold started flying before the federal rate interest decision. Anyways, right now we need to wait for the NFP and we can expect that after NFP we will get to see a big move. Why big move? Because we can see that market is trading inside a range. So market is gathering momentum, and usually whenever we see market trading inside a range, okay, the move that comes is huge. And yesterday it failed to meet the expectation. So if similar results come out at the time of NFP, we may get to see a big drop on dollar. Okay, let's wait and watch. Anyway, be careful at the time of US session, because today also we have news coming up. You can see we have ISM PMI, we have jobless claims data. So overall market will be volatile today also. But market may not give a proper direction. Market may just show spikes. So be careful with your open US dollar trades. Not only gold, but US, Euro, USD, GBP, USD, or DVC and others as well. So overall the things have not changed here. You can still see the overall levels that we were discussing are still the same. We need DXY above 104.50 to continue upside, and before NFP I don't think so DXY will be going above 104.50, and in case DXY drops also we have 102.60 as support before NFP. So we can expect that market will remain sideways till sideways, or market will remain choppy till NFP. So plan your trades accordingly, and this is the main reason I have been talking about DXY for last 1 minute. Okay, so that you can plan your trades accordingly. Now let's look at the chart of gold. Where is gold? Yeah, there it is. So yesterday we saw our levels working nicely. We were looking for a buy above 2050 for 40 pips. My 40 pips again, okay, did not fail to deliver. It gave us, and then we were looking for a sell around 2055 2058, and this zone also worked very nicely. So what are the trading opportunities then? Today I have placed a sell limit at 2070. Okay, I have placed a sell limit at 2070 because on the chart of gold we have the strongest resistance around 2070 2075, and here you can see we have FIBO 78.6% retracement level, and moreover we also have good presence of contracts at 2075. Okay, so I don't think so before NFP market will be going above 2075. So as a result I have placed my sell limit at 2070 without stop loss. Okay, but do not gamble. Okay, see, I did not place stop loss, but that doesn't mean that I do not have a mental stop loss. Yes, I do have one. Okay, I know it very well where I should exit if market breaks the level, but I don't think so. I don't think so. Market will be going about 2075, and 2100 is the ultimate resistance. 2100 is the ultimate resistance for the next 2 or 3 weeks. I don't think so. Market will be going above 2100 soon. I also have a sell limit at 2098 as well. Okay, anyways, Let's talk about this right now. So 2075, 2070 is the ultimate resistance for the day. And if market breaks, 2059, you can also look for a risky buy position. Mind the word risky buy position. Why risky buy position? Because you can see we have multiple resistances. So if there is not much volume in the market, so it can be a little bit difficult for the market to go up. If you look at the trend of the market right now, see, I'm on the hourly time frame. What do we see here? We can clearly see the market is going up. There is no doubt about it. Okay, so to continue the upside, goal needs to go above 2059. But see, volume plays a very important role. So during the Asian session, listen to me carefully, during the Asian session and European session, if you see gold going above 2059, try to avoid, because at the time of uh, news, we have plenty of volume and you can expect gold to break 2059 and you can look for a buy position. But in absence of news, especially during the Asian session when we do not have much volatility, okay, there's a high chance that market will not be able to break 2059. Okay, so see, one level, but if market breaks it, you can look for a buy above it. One level, if market fails, then market will reverse from there, and if you want, then you can also look for a sell around the yesterday's level of 2055 to 58. If you're confused, let me repeat again. If you look at the hourly time frame, okay, I'm repeating. If we look at the hourly time frame here, we can see the market is going up. Try to learn, my dear friends. Okay, but volume is extremely important for any market of the world for a breakout. So if market goes up and market doesn't have volume, then market will not be able to break yesterday's level of 2055 to 2058. So especially during the Asian session and European session, if market reverses, we can look for a sell. But at the time of US session, we have news coming up. So if you see that market is volatile, gold is bullish again, you can look for buy above 2059 for 40-50 pips, not more than that. Though market has potential of giving 100 pips, but as I showed you, okay, there are multiple resistances. And usually we need to follow the trend of the market, but we have a strong seller sitting at 2070, 2075. So if market goes up also, still we can look for a sell around 2070. Clear? Now, if you see market going down, my dear friends, you can see that I have drawn a trend line. Honestly, I'm not a big fan of trend line, so I stopped trading trend line a long time ago. So we have a trend line also, but still, if you see market going down, we have the next best support around 2033 to 2030, especially during the Asian session and European session. If you see market going down, you can look for buy around this area, because you see we have previous support around this area. We have the 100 moving average, and also I checked, we have contracts at 2030, addition of contracts, not a very strong level, but still. So in absence of news, you can definitely expect 2030, 2033 to act as the support for the market. Okay, and yes, we do have other levels also, but as of now, okay, let's focus on this particular portion of the market only, because at the time of news, it will be better and safer for us to follow the trend of the market. And hopefully you guys have learned, because see, when I started trading, the amount of information online was very limited. Okay, so there was no place to learn. Though I do the analysis, but I also try to explain so that, okay, you can learn, okay, so that you can understand how to do the analysis, how to look at the market. Okay, anyways, that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye, take care, be careful at a time of news, do not gamble. Okay, we are traders, don't forget that.